Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Monday.com. We'll walk through adding the official Notion Embed app from the Monday.com marketplace so you can view Notion pages right inside your boards and dashboards. Before we start, a quick note. Depending on your account, you may need admin permissions to install apps. If something doesn't appear as shown, that's the first thing to check. Begin by opening Monday.com and landing on your home area. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration available. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen for a small grid made up of 6 dots. This is the app launcher icon. If your browser window is zoomed in or very narrow, you might need to adjust your zoom or expand the window to see it clearly. Click that 6-dot icon to open the quick menu and then choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you find and install apps that extend Monday.com. If you don't see Marketplace, your account might have restricted access, in which case you'll want to ask an admin to proceed on your behalf. Once the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type Notion. In the results, look for Notion Embed for Monday.com. This specific listing lets you display a Notion page within Monday, which is great for centralizing documentation, briefs, wikis, or project specs without switching tabs. Click the Notion Embed for Monday.com listing to open its details page. Take a moment to review the overview, screenshots, and the permissions it requests so you know exactly what it will do in your account. When you're ready, click Install App. If you're prompted to choose an install location, select the account or workspace that needs access. You may also see a permissions dialog. That's normal for Marketplace apps. To complete the process, click Install to confirm. Give it a few seconds to finish. After the installation is successful, the app will be available to add as a view or widget on your boards and dashboards. From there, you'll be able to embed a Notion page using a shareable Notion link with appropriate visibility settings, aligning with your team's security and access policies. If you can't find the app in search, double-check your spelling, clear any filters, or refresh the page. Installation issues are often resolved by verifying permissions or trying again with a stable connection, and that's it. Your Monday.com account now has the Notion Embed app installed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your Notion content directly into your Monday workflows.